motor.
Looks like something from space.
Like that semi truck.
I don't like this. What's that? Just look at that. Look, look.
Now you will get hot. Now
Look
you
at
will
it.
get hot.
Heidi said, I don't like this. Sitting out in it. Huh?
That thing up in there. He's gonna take the car up, probably.
Go ahead in.
Hello, Dayton. I am Reptar, a transforming land cruiser. I have been sent to this planet from a starship of the Freedom Federation. As a defense transformer, I am a fighter for all that is good. To achieve my mission, I have been designed so that I can disguise myself in the vehicular form that you saw me transform from. I am honored to defend all that is good from the evil forces with the power of fire. Would you like to see this awesome power? You see the special light probes in my head, arms, and legs. I use them to detect these evil forces. My mission here on this planet is to seek out Reptar, who has destroyed several other planets and is sure to do great harm to yours. Wait. My scanners are indicating that he is near. Reveal yourself.
They left behind me. Hey, they left at the best time.
You gotta be kidding me! Where's the Transformers?
I think it was getting some meat.
He said his Transformers battle.
He said he was detecting an evil spirit. recording too. I hear him. No, I hear Andy keeps hitting me. It's like, listen. I hear you. You're messing my camera up.
I am Reptar, leader of the third galaxy. I am the leader of the dark side. I have come to this planet to seek others to join with me and help build the universe's strongest force. Even as I speak, the Freedom Federation gets weaker. Join with me, and together we will conquer this universe. I will never join forces with you. You stand for evil and must be destroyed. Your powers are useless against me. I do not need you or these humans. You shall be eliminated. Your evil powers are not destroyed. Surrender yourself to the Reptar. I will never surrender to you, Galactron.
Shot it off.
If you cannot surrender, Reptar, prepare to be destroyed. Has been destroyed. His evil forces will no longer threaten this planet. I must transfer back to my original form at this time to continue my search for other evil forces on this planet. While I'm away, I want each of you to help me in this fight against evil by using the special powers that are inside each of you. I will continue my mission, even though you will not be able to see me. Goodbye.
He's waving by.
Bye, Galactron. You suck, Reptar. Bye. Even Panther shot
Man, baby is way too small. That's ridiculous. Yeah, that's ridiculous. That makes me so mad. People bring babies and stuff.
You can still see the hole.
Halftime show, isn't it? Something different.
They like it better than the truck.
Everybody's still videotaping.
Price is freaking out on it.
All the kids like it more monster trucks.
That looks like it's cardboard.
Yeah.
There's this hole
Victoria.